Hi! I do my beans, guys, because I'm ready to cook now. Parang iba ang pakiramdam ko, guys. Parang iba talaga ang pakiramdam ko. Oh, I feel hot. I think so. I feel hot. My coat. Tanggal ko na lang, guys, kasi I'm doing my beans, you know? My beans. Luluto ako ng, I'm going to cook tikka masala. It's an Indian food, but really I only bought a ready-made sauce because it's my craving point. I think I have to drink a lot of water. Mayroong para akong nagpa-flashing or something. Hindi naman masakit ang ulo ko. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna cook here into my pan. Hi guys. Ay, ganyan pa ako guys. Masiyahin pa ako na tao. Sumasayaw, sumasayaw, sumasayaw. Minsan guys, tasayaw talaga ako ng hindi. Ako lang nakakarinig kasi mag-earpiece ako. But actually, I'm going to dance talagang magda-dance ako. Ipakita ko sa inyo na ay, masayahin talaga pala siya. At gagayahin niyo ako, I'm sure. Dahil masiyahin ako eh. Masiyahin ako, masiyahin. Ililipit ko nga muna to guys. Kasi naman, maganda po yung masiyahin tayo guys. Kaysa magbugnutin. Ayokong bugnutin ako. I don't. I am not really going to be a bugnutin. No, 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 no. Low. What I gonna do is gonna put first the chicken before I put the garlic and onion. It's because that is the process of kuan sa tikka masala guys. Mamaya ko na siya i-saute sa pagka kasi nawash na daw to ng asawa ko eh. So that's good. Sabi niya na, nawash ko na yan. So, don't you worry about it. Okay? Fine. Saka guys, gumagamit ako ng spatula. Na wooden spatula. Ay, mayroon pa pala akong chicken. May chicken pa pala ako dito. Yan, initin ko rin yung aking chicken. Kakainin ko yan. So, it means, ito guys, hindi ko talaga makakain ito ngayon. Kasi, nandito yung potatoes ko. Hindi ko lang siguro siya lalagyan ng carrots. Do I need to put the carrots on it? Yes. Lalagyan daw siya ng carrots. Ano carrots? Carotsi. Chubani. Kain ako ulit guys, mamaya. Pero hindi ngayon kasi busog pa ako. Ayaw ko talaga kumain ng mga kain siguro ako mga 2 o'clock. Yan ang first na meal ko, basta sa gabi kakain talaga ako ng dahil nakasanayan dahil sa I am a night shift. Oo. Why? Bihira lang magkakatrabaho guys. Kasi minsan because agency ka nga, di ba? So it doesn't matter kung may work ka o pero it matters for me kung walang work. It's really boring kung walang trabaho kasi unang-una ay enjoying it, going out. Gagawin mo yung job mo. Tsaka masaya sa trabaho. I can feel it. Ang lamig. Yan, pagka dinalaw ka na ng lamig talaga, lalamigin ka na talaga. Tapos lalagay ko dito yung onions. Ayan, kasi guys, kapag tapos ko talaga magluto, yung chopping board ko, binabrush ko yan. Talagang brush. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Init ako ng tubig guys kasi I'm going to have coffee. Coffee na naman. Para ako nanalo ng luto. Sana nga naman manalo. Kasi masaya ako. Hindi ko alam kung more than hindi ko alam kung anong ni God, but I feel something nice. I'm sure nice na nice yan. Malamig na naman guys. So I feel cold, I feel hot, I feel something. Yan ang sinusuot ko guys. Nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Ako din yun. Titingnan ko nga kung anong ilang minuto na. Kasi sarap talaga pag may work, guys, no? Feeling mo, miski may edad ka na, feeling mo, in ka pa sa mundo. Alam mo yun? Yung, sa bagay, here in England, talaga, ay, ang baba pala. Ang baba ng ko. Here talaga, in England, it doesn't matter kung kung bata ka pat matanda na, basta kaya mo pa magtrabaho, ay pwedeng-pwede. Ganon ang dito. Ganon ang tema dito. Battery low na pala ang aking fan. Vertical na daw siya. I need to charge my laptop Swerte yung binigyan ko ng laptop May nabigyan akong laptop. Description has no description added to your video. Look. Okay. Look. Yun. Hindi pala pwede talaga. Hindi po talaga pwede. Hindi pwede. Yan guys, let's go guys. Sama ko kayo uli guys. Aking phone, kailangan i-charge pala. Hindi pala na-charge. Kailangan kong kunin sa aking. Kailangan talaga mag-charge guys. Kasi itong main phone ko, ito is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Then, syempre, pupunta tayo doon. Kalimutan ko, nagluluto pala ako. Yan ang masama. Yan ang aking chicken. Ang aking chicken. Yan. Kasi, dapat nga daw talaga, mag-ano siya about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, ganyan. So, hindi ko na tanggalin yung, ano niya, yung sauce niya dyan. Sauce. Para mag-steam lang yan. And I'm going to get my carrots. Ay, nakalimutan ko guys. Carrots pa pala ako dahil. Dali lang to, hindi. Kasi ang baby carrots, ay yung young carrots, hindi ko siya inaano guys. I do not need to peel this one. No need to peel. No peeling. Because actually, hindi naman talaga kailangan i-ano ang carrots. Gasan mo lang mabuti. Kaya lang ang iba, especially in the Philippines, they keep you don't need to ano talaga. Yes, carrots. Now here, I'm gonna put some water in it. Just to make it for a few minutes with a chicken. And then, I'm gonna put this, what do you call this? Bababam! Sauce. I think I'm fine now. Oh, wait. I think I just drained my water. Draining my water. Magsusutay pa ako guys. Remember I said magsusutay ako. So I'm gonna use the other pan and put it there into yan. So no worries guys. No no and all I need is all I want for Christmas is you. Christmas is not over. Let's go guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako ganyan. Teka. Honey, can I have some of your biscuit? Masarap na biscuit niya eh. Yan. I have 2 biscuit. Mm. Alexa, alarm in 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
You know, the place where I go, guys, is kitchen, living room, and dining room. Especially this time, it's really bad weather. One hour na. I have a biscuit here, guys. I'm just being. We unexpectedly met subscribers and we are shocked they paid. What? I have favorite we have a favorite I have a favorite YouTuber as well. She's from the Philippines. The husband is American. And she got a 16,800K followers, subscribers. That really helps a lot. Mm-hmm. Biscuit from the Philippines. Then coffee. This is a snack time of my workplace. It's 11:30. Now 11:45. Then my snacks is gonna finish at 12. At 12 needs to be back at work. You know, you're starting or again. Mm, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please support me through my um through my other social media. Salamat and thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.